So, you've seen the viral Kojeva face brush all over your feed, right? But is it a secret beauty weapon? Or just another overhyped scam? I decided to dig deep, testing it out and reading recent user reviews from 2025 and 2026, so you don't have to waste your cash. First things first, Kojeva is definitely not a scam. If you order, it arrives, though sometimes a bit late because it ships from pretty far away. You'll get an actual brush, and it does work for facial massage and lymphatic drainage. But here's where things get interesting. It's basically a dupe, a copycat of the original patented lymphatic brush by Cecily Braden. Kojeva just took the idea and blasted it all over TikTok and Instagram, so it's everywhere. Let's talk results. Most users say it's a game changer for morning puffiness. Just 90 seconds, and boom, you look a little more awake. Some people love the gentle, soft bristles, especially if you've got sensitive skin. And if you've tried gua sha but hated the hassle, this brush is quick, doesn't need oil, and can contour your jawline. But it's not all perfect. Some buyers complain the plastic feels cheap, and the bristles can be scratchy, or even itchy enough to need a face wash right after. There are reports of sharp edges on the handle, so be careful, especially if your skin is delicate. Plus, you might wait a while for shipping. Is it worth the price? That's the real question. Kojeva often runs sales, but similar brushes pop up on Amazon for $10 or less. If you go with Kojeva, you're paying for the viral hype, not a luxury product. Bottom line, Kojeva isn't a scam, but it's not the original luxury version either. If you want to try the lymphatic drainage trend without breaking the bank, it's a solid, affordable option. Just don't expect miracles. And maybe double-check for sharp bristles before you start brushing. Want more honest beauty reviews?